What's up, guys? Welcome to Weird Science channel. Today's topic is top 10 gay, that is homosexual animals. Animal sexual behavior takes many different forms, even within the same species, and the motivations for other and implementations of their behavior have yet to be fully understood. Backlink's research shows that homosexual behavior, not necessarily sex, has been documented in about 500 species as of 1999, ranging from primates to gutworms. Homosexuality in the animals is seen as controversial by the social conservatives because it asserts the naturalness of the homosexuality in the humans, while the other counters that it has no implications and is nonsensical to equate the animal behavior to mortality. Animal preference and the motivation is always inferred from the behavior. Thus, the homosexual behavior has been given a number of terms over the years. The correct usage of the term homosexual is that an animal exhibits homosexual behavior. However, this article confirms to that usage by the modern research applying the terms homosexuality to all sexual behavior, that is copulation, genital stimulation, and the mating games, and the sexual display behavior between the animals of the same sex. Number 10, it's a ram. Domestic rams are statistically among the most extensive gay mammals in existence. The scientific studies have shown that up to an incredible 8% of the male sheep may form exclusive male-to-male pair bonds, forsaking all contacts with the female ewes. These same-sex couples do not mate, but they act as a couple in every other way through their lives. The homosexual herds stand out as an example of diverse relationship status among the animals. But of course, they are less than popular among the farmers who seek to breed as many sheep as possible. Number 9, lions albatross. Lions and albatross are the normally high defensive when they sense intruders, indicating that the acceptance of another female is true pair bonding. The same-sex partnership may last as long as traditional pairs. In one case, a whopping 19 years. In New Zealand, a same-sex pair of even larger royal albatross were recently found standing in nest together, suggesting that the phenomenon may be the widespread. 8. Bottlenose dolphins. In one of the incredible cases, a pair of the gay dolphins enjoyed a 17-year relationship, while the researchers identified a whole pod of the dolphins that is composed of entirely of males, whose members were certainly not lacking in romantic experience. It has become clear that dolphin relationships are extremely stronger, regardless of the specific orientation of the marine mammals involved. Many other dolphins have been found to be bisexual, enjoying the passionate contact among their own sex as well as the opposite. Cock of the rock. Unlike the seabirds previously discussed, only the male birds of this species seek homosexual encounters. It is possible that the gay behavior stems from the high population densities and the extensive competition for the females. The same-sex encounters also satisfy the birds' desire for the opportunities to express their promiscuous and highly developed mating drive, thereby increasing the social stability among the normally yearling birds. Number 6, bonobos. Bonobos, which resembles miniature chimpanzees, are not only among the world's most intelligent animals but are in fact humanity's closest relative. Living in high social colonies, bonobos are the more good-natured compared to their frequently violent chimpanzees relatives. They are famous for using a language of love rather than language of aggression to resolve problems and they communicate with each other. Since many of the conflicts occur between the two males or between two females, homosexual bonding is a frequent occurrence among these amorous apes. Sexual encounters may serve to increase social standing among the females, but it also occurs among the males, who may take more play fight-based approach. Bonobos are critically endangered and they are require the utmost effort from conservationists to keep them in the wild. Fifth, lions. Male lions have been documented wanting other males and engaging in a variety of behavior normally reserved for the single pair of opposite sex couples. Though many other animal societies are structured in a way that might occasionally favor the same gender pairing, the reason for the male lion association is unknown. Lions have some of the strongest sex drives of any cat species, meaning that encounters are probably more purposeful than same-sex interactions among the birds or rams. 4. Penguins. Two male penguins made headlines after they paired up in the zoo and were given an egg which they successfully raised. Prior to being given an egg of their own, the gay penguins attempted to steal eggs from the straight penguin couples. 3. Giraffes. Young male giraffes prior to mating with females sometimes engage in the same-sex encounters and have short-term alliance. Activities may include tongue kissing and neck massaging and hugs, as well as full body contact and nuzzlings. The scientists theorize that the purpose of the same gender interaction is to develop the familiarity with the mating techniques before using them to court the appropriate female giraffe. The small town community which is the giraffes herd, it seems that the idea is to getting it right with the girls from the word to go by checking out some of the guys first. 2. Japanese macaws. The both male and female members of this monkey species have been seen to engage in same-sex behavior. Researchers have noted that the male macaws tend to have lots of one-night stand. They also found that same-sex behavior often occurs during the monkeys' breeding seasons. Matthew Grover, a biology professor at Georgia State University, has been an interesting and simple theory to explain the macaws' behavior. He thinks they engage in the because it's fun. The monkeys, he thinks, find certain kind of behavior gratifying and engaging it for the reason. Dragonflies. It's a fact. Bugs can be gay. Dragonflies are among the most highly evolved predators in the insect world, and they are also among the most demonstrative, engaging in spectacular in-fight battles as well as serious sensual encounters with other dragonflies. But the presence of the opposite sex is not always a prerequisite to dragonfly dating. Investigations have revealed a surprisingly high frequency of mating between the same-sex dragonflies. Understanding that the reason for the same-gender pairing among such small invertebrates is challenging, and the interactions are poorly understood even today. Environmental chemistry and the unavailability of the partners may be one of the factors influencing dragonfly mating behavior. There are also some other animals like dogs, cats, even human beings. I think most of the human beings are gay, are homosexual. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.